Hey guys, in this video you are going to learn how to edit your email campaign. So first of all, you need to prepare two links. The first link is the lead magnet file, and this is the Fearless Guide to Passive Income. This is the name that I came up with, and you can come up with one that you like so that yours will be different from mine. And the second one is the sales page link. To get this link, you can go to your funnel right here. If you are using a free plan in systeme.io, it only allows you to have one order bump. That's why you have to take this order form sales page, and let me show you the funnel step, and you will see it has this part. Wait before you go. However, it's still fine because you are using a free subscription and you still have this order bump. If you are using a paid subscription, you can use this sales page order form, right? This is the link, and you will see I removed this part and now it looks like this. If you are using a free systeme.io account, this part will not show. So I highly recommend that you use this order form link. If you want to change this domain path, you can do this. You can basically go to your profile icon right here, click on settings and scroll down. You see the custom domains, and you click on these three dots right here, edit subdomain name, and in here you can change this subdomain name. You can also change this path as well. If you plan to use a professional domain, you can watch the next step first and come back here, and you can basically copy this link and paste it in here so that we can start edit our email campaign. Now you go to emails, then campaigns. We already imported this faceless email marketing sequence, so just click on that. Now you can see the done for you emails here. You need to edit every one of these. And for the first one, click on that. In this email, you can click on this link, click on this edit button, and go here, copy your link, and paste it in here, then hit save. And you also need to change your Instagram handle name and your name here as well. It's really important that you can change the sender email address here to a professional email address. You can find the tutorial for this part in the next video. The reason for this is when your emails are sent out, they will not be in the spam folder. And after you have done, you can click on save and then exit. You can do the same thing for the rest of the emails. Basically, you can just change your name, and for this part, you change it to your sales page. And remember, we already have the link here. Just copy that one, edit here, paste in, hit save, and after that, save, then exit. You can also read the email, and if you want to change anything, just go ahead and do it. After you have done, just hit save, then exit. And that's it for this part, guys.